Let's take the A train.
AA will be on Sugar Hill.
Don't miss the A train, baby.
AA will fly the quickest way. Oh, that's a real thrilling.
Thrilling, it's coming now. Let's take the A train to go to Sugar Hill with up and hurry.
You must take the A train to go to Sugar Hill with up and hurry. If you miss the A train, you find a miss the quickest way to hurry. Hurry, get on now, it's coming. Listen to those rays that running. All aboard, get on the A train. Soon you will be on Sugar Hill and Autumn. All aboard, get on the A train. Soon you will be on Sugar Hill and Autumn. Get on the A train. Soon you will be on Sugar Hill and You went away, I let you. We broke the ties that bind. I wanted to forget you and leave the past behind. Still the magic of the night I met you seems to stay forever in my mind. The sky was blue and high above. The moon was new and so was love. This eager heart of mine was singing, yeah. Lover, where can you be? You came at last. Love had its day, that day is past. You've gone away. This aching heart of mine is singing, yeah. Lover, come back to me. When I remember every little thing you used to do, I'm so lonely. Every road I your gate, and the song that I sing is of moonlight. I stand and I wait for the touch of your hand in the June night. The roses are sighing, a moonlight serenade. The stars are aglow, and tonight how their light sets me dreaming. My love, do you know that your eyes are like stars brightly beaming? I bring you and I sing you a moonlight serenade. Let us strain to break the love's valley of dreams. Just you and I, a summer sky, a heavenly breeze, kissing the trees. So don't let me wait. Come to me tenderly in the June night. I stand at your gate, and I sing you a song in the moonlight, a love song, my darling. Moonlight So don't let me wait. Come to me tenderly in the June night. I stand at your gate, and I sing you a song in the moonlight, a love song, my darling. Moonlight innocent and under moon, I can see the stars come through my room while your loving attitude is like a flame that lights the gloom on the wings of every kiss. Drift the melodies so strange and sweet in the sentimental bliss. You make my path the sentimental mood. I'm within a world so heavenly, for I never dreamt that you'd be loving sentimental.
The purple dusk of twilight time steals across the meadows of my heart. High up in the sky, the little stars climb, always reminding me that we're apart. You wandered down and far away, leaving a song that will not die. Love is not a stardust of yesterday, the music of the years gone by.
Sometimes I wonder where you spend the lonely nights, dreaming of a song, the melody haunts my reverie, and I am once again. Each kiss an inspiration, but that was long ago. Now my consolation is in the stardust of a song beside a garden wall. When stars are bright, you were in my arms. The nightingale tells his fairy tale of paradise where roses grew. you sigh. Never in my wordland could there be ways to reveal in a phrase how I feel. Have you ever had two turtle doves, pale and cool, when they laugh? That's a kind of magic music we make with our lips when we kiss. And there's a weepy old willow, he really knows how to cry. That's how I cry in my pillow. If you should tell me farewell and goodbye, lullaby a brilliant whisper low, kiss me sweet, and we'll go flying high in Berlin, high in the sky up above, all because we're in love. But about Berlin, that's why I always hear when it's sad. Never in my world could there be ways to reveal in a phrase how I feel. Have you ever had to tell two loves good feel and good when they laugh? That's a kind of magic music we make with our lips when we kiss. And there's a weepy old willow, he really knows how to cry. That's how I'd cry in my pillow if you should tell me farewell and goodbye. But about Berlin, whisper low, kiss me sweet, and we go flying high in Berlin, high in the sky up above, all because we're in love. And there's a weepy old willow, he really knows how to cry. That's how I'd cry in my pillow if you should tell me farewell and goodbye. Lullaby, I love Berlin, whisper low, kiss me sweet, and we go flying high in Berlin, high in the sky up above. Oh, because we're in love. We're in love. roses made us break, but you know we still can make it. If we forget them all and answer Cupid's call, it's the truth. Whispers of trouble and a nickel of the past. A little take to lose my gloom is just a whisper, not a rumors. But I feel love for me, that's how it's gotta be. Our harmony was lost, but you forgave, I forget. Whisper not of chorus past. You know we're part at last. So now we'll be on key constantly. Love will whisper on eternally. Love will whisper on eternally. Love will whisper on like a lovely tune. Beware, my foolish heart. How wide the ever constant moon. Take care, my foolish heart. There's a line between love and fascination that's hard to see on an evening such as this. For they both give the very same sensation when you're lost in the magic of the kiss. His lips are much too close to mine. Beware, we'd never say goodbye. But that was long ago. Now you've forgotten, I know. No use to wonder why. Let's say farewell with a sigh. Let love die, but we